Here we are at 45 watts. This is a pretty new gutter. You can see it's pretty clean because let's get a good view of it here. It's pretty clean because it's brand new. But Kevin Myers paid him to clean the gutters, and it was supposed to have been done like yesterday, the day before. So, and there ain't no trees close by. Over here across the road, there's a few. For it to build up all this in 2 days. So here's another gutter that just got looked at real quick. Oh, it's pretty clean, but I paid to have it clean. $690. Have these gutters clean. Is how much Kevin Myers was wanting. We agreed to it. Yet this gutter's not clean.